This is Trader Travis, and I have a special announcement involving the publication of the expanded edition of my book. But before I get to that, my name is Travis Wilkerson, former U.S. investing champion for the Futures and Options Division, but I go by Trader Travis online. And I wanted to let everybody know that the new and expanded edition of my book is now available on Amazon. It's currently a bestseller thanks to people like you. And someone asked a question about what's different between this version. So I figured, hey, let me record a short video to explain it to you. The first version was 55 pages. This is about 222 pages. So it's about 4 times as big, and rightfully so, because I was always kind of annoyed at the first version, but it was a goal. I just had to get it done. And it took me forever to update it, but I'm glad I finally updated it. So what I want to do is quickly go through the table of contents here and give you a couple of examples of what's taught in this new version. So chapter 1 takes you through option basics. If you receive the bonus that comes along with this book for readers, it's basically the video course. I have a 6-module video course that covers option basics, but here in the book, for those who like to read, you can get it in written format. And then chapter 2 takes you through what we call the Buffett call option. It's how to buy LEAP call options and gives you the exact rules I follow in my own personal account. So here on the screen here is an example of one of the Buffett call options you could have purchased and the ones I purchased. What's taught in the book is a passive once-a-year strategy. It takes about 10 minutes. Here's an example here where you would have more than doubled your investment. So it's about, I think it's about 160% return on your money in 1 year by buying LEAP call options. And that's taught in the book. Next, we cover what's the best option to trade, right? You look on the option chain here, there are hundreds of different options to pick. So I go through some different scenarios and give you some rules to follow as to which is the best option for you to buy. This is about option buying. This whole book is about option buying. Chapter 5 goes through a quick proof of concept exercise so you can tell which gurus are full of crap, right? How do you trust but verify is what the military taught me, trust but verify. So if someone's teaching something online, I give you the same process I go through to validate whether they're telling the truth or not, whether their systems are valid. Chapter 6 is very important considering the time I'm recording this, the bear market of 2022. Chapter 6 is titled The Secret to Bear Market Profits. And what you see on the screen here is an example of what it would look like if you bought one of these put options, which are insurance contracts. This one in particular, in the middle of a bear market, made about $2,400 if you had bought one put option contract, which would have been a 37% return on your investment. In the middle of a bear market, while the market was losing 20%, you could have been making 30% or more if you had followed the rules that are taught in this book here. Also, in relation to buying these insurance contracts, Chapter 7, I teach something that I had only taught to members of my high-end coaching program, which was about $3,000 to $6,000, depending on which track you chose. And this is insuring your traditional retirement accounts, 401ks, IRAs, right? I found a way to insure traditional retirement accounts, and I taught that here in the book. And then chapters 9, 10, and 11 goes through a 15-year case study of the methods that are taught in the book, followed by the 80-20 wealth building formula, and then the core of what the book is about, how to achieve financial freedom in only 5 years. I give you the exact same blueprint I followed, and in full disclosure, after that, I shared my life story. Even though I had a blueprint to achieve financial freedom in 5 years, it still took me 10 years because I'm an idiot. So I walk through that, as well as stories I've probably only shared online once, like, hey, how I almost died when my car got shot up. A bullet missed my head about that much. Second bullet hit my gas tank. Thankfully, the car didn't blow up, but that event, as well as a few others, are what pushed me to join the U.S. Army, and that is where I met my first millionaire mentor. So that's just a quick summary of the book. Thanks for everyone who's followed me over the last 10 plus years. I've been teaching online, and if you grabbed a copy and you read it, it can be read in about a day or two. But if you've grabbed a copy and read it, I want to ask a small favor, as well as anybody who, if I've added value to your life over the last however many years I've been teaching online, or if you feel like I'm one of the most honest and transparent educators out there and more people need to learn the methods and strategies I'm teaching, I have a small favor. Can you please leave a review of the book on Amazon? I'll leave the link below this video that you can just click on. It takes maybe 1 to 2 minutes. I would really appreciate it. Reviews are actually would help the book get into the hands of more people like you who want to better their financial future. So if you want to help people out and you think more people need to learn about this, more people need to learn how to achieve financial freedom in 5 years, then spend a minute or two and please leave a review. And again, I'll put the link below this video. So you take care and happy trading. Bye-bye.